Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a blending beast that is about to transform your kitchen into a smoothie paradise, the Hurom Hexa Power High-Speed Blender. If you are tired of chunky drinks, underpowered motors that stall on ice, or blenders that take forever to clean, this one is your ticket to silky, powerful blends in seconds. Picture tossing in frozen fruits, nuts, greens, and ice and getting a vortex of creamy goodness with no lumps, perfect for quick breakfast shakes or post-workout fuels. No more frustrating jams or weak results. This high-speed wonder makes blending fast, effortless, and full of power. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Hurom Hexa Power High-Speed Blender is a must for smoothie lovers and home chefs. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this blending powerhouse. The Hurom Hexa Power High-Speed Blender rocks a 1,000-watt motor that spins blades up to 30,000 RPM for ultra-fine blending, handling everything from tough kale to rock-hard ice without breaking a sweat. It has 10 variable speeds plus pulse mode, so you can fine-tune for smoothies, soups, nut butters, or even emulsions like mayo. The 1.6-litre tamper-safe jar is made of high-strength Triton plastic, BPA-free and crystal clear, letting you see the magic happen while you push ingredients down safely. It comes with a 6-blade stainless steel assembly for chopping, pureeing, and grinding, and the base is sleek stainless steel too, measuring 18 inches tall, 8 inches wide, 8 inches deep, and weighing about 10 pounds for stable blending. All parts except the base are dishwasher-safe, and it includes a tamper, recipe guide, and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Price is around $200, an awesome value for the speed and versatility it brings to your counter. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after blending up everything from berry blast to spicy salsas. Pros first. Number 1, the high RPM and powerful motor crush ice and fibrous veggies like a champ, giving restaurant quality smooth results. Number 2, 10 speeds mean total control, no more overblending delicate sauces. Number 3, the large jar fits family-sized batches without refilling. Number 4, easy locking assembly and dishwasher-safe parts make setup and cleanup a breeze. Number 5, it is quieter than most high-speed blenders and feels solid on the counter. Overall, it turns blending into a quick pro-level thrill. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $200 price is a step up from basic blenders. 2, it can get warm during long blends like nut butters. 3, the jar is plastic, not glass, so watch for scratches over time. 4, it is 10 pounds, so not super portable. 5, no personal cup included for single serves. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you blend a few times a week for health boosts or meal prep and want power and smoothness, this fits perfectly. Not for ultra-budget shoppers, but for reliable, high-performance blending, it is a yes. So my recommendation, snag the Hurom Hexa Power High-Speed Blender today. It powers up your drinks and saves you time. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your smoothies will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more blending bliss and click the link to support us. What is your go-to blend? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.